Hello, this is Tom Zeppeveld from Graphileon with a short demo on our InterActor Neo4j browsing and application building platform. Normally we link functions together through triggers, but you may also want some time to build a library of your own functions that you can access through an internal API. So that would allow you to do something like this. If you can see, there are three functions over here that are executed and that are not directly linked to this HTML view. If you could look at the backend, we have here my user and a shortcut to get some info. So that basically generates the button over here. And then if you look inside that HTML view that we have now this new construct. We have you insert an IA API element, which stands for InterActor API, and all these API calls, they refer to a node with a machine name. So this one gets the node name. You can provide fixed parameters if you want, and this one has a user list, and this one has a node count. So if you look at this user list, it returns an entire table. This one returns the username of user 34, and this one does a dynamic count on the database. So here you have the three functions, three API nodes. So let's look at the user list. So it only has the machine name and the user list, but when it's called from this HTML view, it sends the request, and then it executes the cipher, which is here, and it returns the entire table. And then when it is successful, this table, the response here is fed back into the node and then communicated to the HTML view and inserted over there. So the same for this node count. You see it just returns a node count, or a cipher with a parameter, and this parameter ID, it is passed along through the request and the input ID that was over here, the input ID. So this, you could make that dynamic as well. So this offers quite some possibilities when you want to build your own library of functions, and you want to have easy access without really creating the triggers between them, because this offers additional flexibility. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for more.